A fish cutting competition is underway with two teams facing off. A boy picks up a fish and sharpens his knife. He slices the fish into two halves, then feels the meat with his finger to locate the bones. Like a machine, he precisely removes every single bone one by one before handing the fillet to the next man. Everyone is stunned by his precision. The second man then shows off his own skill. First, he checks with his knife to make sure not a single bone is left. Then, he begins slicing the fish at incredible speed. He cuts the entire fish into tiny pieces and tosses them into the air. Yet, miraculously, the skin of the fish remains without a single scratch. Everyone is left speechless. Who do you think won? Tell us in the comments.